Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming your watch and app are ready. Choose a dive-rated model and install a reliable dive app. Once done, charge to full and enable water lock so the screen won't react underwater. Make sure you grant location, motion, and pressure sensor permissions in the app settings, and pair the watch to your phone for logs. Finally, set basic preferences like units and surface interval alerts so your device records usable dive data from the very first descent. You now configure the specific dive settings in the app and on the watch. Select scuba versus free diving and input gas mix or tank details where applicable. Then set depth alarms, maximum ascent rate alerts, and no decompression reminders so the watch actively guides you underwater. Make sure the strap is snug and test the compass and depth sensor at the surface to confirm sensible readings. If values look wrong, recalibrate sensors now to avoid surprises during the dive. You complete the dive by stopping dive mode and syncing the log to your phone for review. Check depth profiles and time at depth to confirm proper recording. Once on shore, rinse the watch with fresh water, dry it, and recharge if battery is low so it's ready for the next dive. If you notice incorrect depth or pressure readings, restart the watch, recalibrate sensors, and update watch firmware. If issues persist, contact the app vendor or manufacturer for support to avoid risking future dives.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.